without question, people are focused on not spending money. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Get everything as cheap as you possibly can. We've got to get our costs down. We've got to get our prices down. It's all I hear. So let's imagine this example now. What effect would a 5% decrease in material content have on that business? You've got a £300,000 material cost. If you reduce that by 5%, what would you save? Anybody good with numbers? 5% of 300,000? 15,000. So what happens with this spreadsheet? This always stays the same, and this is what happens when you make this change. So with 5% material reduction will increase the company's profit by £15,000. That's assuming that they've spent nothing on all the effort and time taken to achieve that in the first place. We're just imagining for a second that that's a free gift, okay? Which isn't real. It would probably cost more than that. In fact, if you could reduce your material content by 5% on any manufacturing business, the chances are you ain't doing it right in the first place. So, an extremely difficult thing to do. So if we reverse that now and we actually have a look at a 2.5% increase in productivity, can you imagine what difference that would make to the bottom line? Would it, add another 10 grand, 5 grand, 4 grand? So if we reverse that 5% and go for an increase in productivity of 2.5%, we make an additional £17,500 profit. So for half the difference, you get more benefit. And 2.5% increase in productivity is saving 12 minutes a day. It's doing in 39 hours what would normally take you 40. And it's less than 1/10 the difference between the UK's productivity level and the United States.